Hi, my name is Justin. I am the owner and president of Flotek. We're a biotech research and development company based in San Francisco, and we had a requirement to manufacture in a very short period of time, less than a year, a product from scratch right to production. And I reached out to Swim Consulting based in Idaho, spoke to James, their president, quickly was introduced to the rest of their engineering team. I was extremely impressed by their product knowledge, understanding of materials and software available in the market. And in less than a year, we have developed the flow controller system. And this is a PID loop controller working on inputs of RS-485, RS-232, and Modbus, and with outputs of 4 to 20 milliamps, where we control pumps and sensors, all nicely packaged on a 10-inch screen. All of the software, all of the HMI, these were all designed and specified by Swim Consulting. End of the day, Swim has been an absolute pleasure to work with. They are extremely responsive, extremely knowledgeable, and we have a product now that we brought to market on time and under budget. So quite honestly, as an owner of the company, I couldn't be more happy. I have more projects for Swim, and I'm enjoying working with these young lads. They are awesome company to work with.